In this lesson, we want to explain the line drawing tool. First, select the color in style and draw on a photo by clicking and dragging. This is a simple line. In its settings, you can control the color here and the shadow here, as you can see, as well as the style, the top, bottom, and the middle of the line. As you can see, you can choose one of them. And then the thickness here. And the rate of the opacity. Bezier curve. If you enable this, you can have a line that are curved. Two ways are: turn this line, the same line that draw as before, to the curve, or draw a new line. Click and drag, and click again on the middle or on a line to change the curve handles. These are the curve handle. We can move them. Okay, this is line tool.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.